Setting up an email list doesn't have to take hours. You can get a simple list up and running in under 10 minutes. One easy way is to create a landing page in system.io, add a headline and an email form, and hit publish. Quick and painless. A lot of beginners think setting up an email list requires complicated tech and hours of work. But with system.io, you can create a landing page, add a headline and email form, and have a working list in under 10 minutes. Once it's live, people can start signing up right away. If you want to take it a step further, the AI Faceless List Builder provides ready-made funnels and email sequences so you can turn that simple form into a complete system that captures leads and nurtures them without extra effort. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything you need to set up a simple faceless email list and turn it into a profitable system. Check the link in the description to get started today.